The two types of physics quantities are scalar and vector. Scalar provides information of the magnitude of whatever you're collecting data with. Maybe it's time, distance. Vectors, on the other hand, give you two pieces of information, magnitude and direction. I remember the difference because scalar has an S for single. Scalar gives you a single piece of information, just magnitude. Now vector, if you hold up two fingers to make a V, it is two fingers that require you to make that V. So it gives you two pieces of data, magnitude and direction. Now, I'm sure you're thinking, so what is magnitude? Well, magnitude is actually referring to the size of whatever you're measuring, and it's represented by a numerical value, so a number. And then, of course, you know direction is the path that a moving object follows. So direction meaning north, east, southwest. Maybe it's also left or right. It could be either of those. All right, so let's look at some examples. So we're talking about scalar, we're talking about magnitude. Remember, this is just a number value. One example could be time, because time could be represented by 1 minute. Yep, that's just the magnitude. Distance. Distance could be 12 meters. That's just magnitude, just the number. Now, vector, on the other hand, one example could be position. Position tells you where you are located. So maybe you're 12 meters north. That would be your position in relative to an origin or some other icon. That has both magnitude and direction. Magnitude meaning the 12 meters and direction north. It could also be represented by displacement. So displacement is a vector because displacement tells you how far you have went from the origin. So you could also be 10 meters south from the origin. That could be your displacement. So scalar gives you only the magnitude, the number. Vector gives you magnitude and direction. So if it has direction included in it, then it is definitely a vector. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment.